Hey besties, Lucinda here. So we're tackling this tree problem and it's kinda big deal. First, let's just get our function set up. We'll initialize our result vector, which is where we'll store our final answers. The size of this vector is n, where n is the number of nodes in the first tree. We'll loop through each node in the first tree to calculate the maximum target nodes. But hold on, before we dive into the code, let's take a sec to pseudocode it out. Okay, listen up. Now we're diving into the core asterisk logic. We define two helper functions, DFS and build. The DFS function does a depth-first search to count the number of target nodes at even or odd depths from any given node. The build function constructs the adjacency list from the given edges and calls the DFS function. We'll then call the build function to calculate even and odd depth node counts for both the first and second trees. Alright fam, we've got the solution, but let's make it chef's kiss. I've added comments to explain what each part of the code does. I've also included a Javadoc-like documentation header to describe each of the functions. We should also think about error handling and boundary conditions. For example, what if either of the input vectors are empty?